Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum. My name is Shru speaking. I am in class 5 and I can talking for you this map. This map is Bangladesh map. Bangladesh is the very small country, but there are many important places from here. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Dhaka. And I can see Chattogram. Chattogram is the biggest place in Bangladesh, and I can see Cox's Bazar. Cox's Bazar is the very beautiful place in Bangladesh, and I live in Nougat. Nougat is the biggest place, and I can see Sylhet. Sylhet is the famous of tea garden, and I can see Nawabganj. Nawabganj is my mother's home district, and they are famous from mangoes, and I can see Kishoreganj. Kishoreganj famous some peoples, and I can see Rangpur. Rangpur is the very beautiful place in Bangladesh, and I can see Turnaf. Turnaf is the in here Saint Martin Island, and I can see the Bogura. Bogura is my father home district. That's all my information. See you again for the next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.